皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のAyanaです。Hello everyone. I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. 今回のレッスンでは10個の日本語の挨拶を一緒に勉強していきましょう。In this lesson, you will learn 10 essential Japanese greetings. Good morning, hello, good night, good evening, goodbye, excuse me, thank you, and how are you, and long time no see, and take care. Let's get started. To start with, Japanese has informal and formal expressions. So formal, you can use to someone who are older than you or higher status or strangers. And then informal, you can use it to close relationships. For example, family member or your partner or friends or someone who are younger than you. Okay, so let's start the first greetings. So the first one is good morning. In Japanese is おはようございます。Repeat after me. おはようございます。Repeat after me. おはようございます。One more time. おはようございます。おはようございます。And hello is こんにちは。So if it's daytime, you can still use it. Repeat after me. こんにちは。One more time. こんにちは。Good evening is こんばんは。So if it's after 5 p.m. around the time, you can use it こんばんは。Repeat after me. こんばんは。One more time. こんばんは。I put a Romanji bottom here, so that's how we type it in when you change to Japanese letters. But if it's a は、こんばんは or こんにちは is written は. This is a letter は. So は is to how to show is HA, but here is pronunciation is WA わ. That's the exceptions. The next is a good night is おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。Repeat after me. おやすみなさい。One more time. おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。Then goodbye is さよなら。さよなら。さよなら。One more time. さよなら。And take care is this is used for greetings for long goodbye. So those who you will not see for the person for a while. お元気で。One more time. お元気で。お元気で。And next is excuse me. Excuse me, you can use same as English situation when you are calling the staff at the restaurant or asking a plan for the stranger, or if someone holds the door for you. So that means more like a thank you. Some Japanese use the thank you as すみません. Then when you bump into someone, it's common to say すみません. Let's practice. Repeat after me. すみません。すみません。すみません。Then thank you is ありがとうございます。So because we are learning a formal way, so we will use a little bit longer one. ありがとうございます rather than just ありがとう。ありがとうございます is thank you very much. Repeat after me. ありがとう ございます。One more time. ありがとうございます。はい。ありがとうございます。And if you want to say, how are you? You can say, 元気ですか? Then response is, まあ、元気です。or I'm not good. 元気じゃありません。Well, grammatically, that's the answer. But I normally not heard much this phrase. 元気じゃありません. People normally respond like this. Anyway, I just introduced the different version. Good and not good. Well, at this stage, just to practice the greetings. 元気ですか? So, 元気ですか? 元気ですか? Then, if you see your friends or family member, it's been a while, you can say, 久しぶりです. So, this H sound, he, so we pronounce first letter. First letter is he. Some people struggle with this pronunciation. 久しぶりです. So, this is put together, です. One more time. 久しぶりです. So, all together. 久しぶりです. 久しぶりです. Good. Okay, so let's go through together. So I recommend to pronounce together with me so that you can get used to the pronunciation. I added the pronunciation section, おはようございます in the middle, but that's for more like a typing. When you type in change to Japanese font, you use type like this. The pronunciation is more listened and in practice copy exactly the native speakers say that. Okay? Repeat after me. おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。おやすみなさい。さよなら。お元気で。すみません。ありがとうございます。元気ですか？久しぶりです。Okay, so let's check if you can memorize those phrases or those greetings. How do you say thank you? Thank you ありがとうございます。How do you say how are you? How are you? 元気ですか？ How do you say long time no see? 久しぶりです。How do you say excuse me? Excuse me すみません。Okay. One more. Good. How do you say good morning? おはようございます。Okay, so we have been practicing the 10 essential greetings. Let's try again. This time, you don't look anything. You just listen, then practice. Repeat after me. おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。おやすみなさい。さよなら。お元気で。ありがとうございます。元気ですか？久しぶりです。Okay, well done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. もし毎日勉強したかったら、チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。 それではまた。See you!